Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best spider tool is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable gadgets for any DIY enthusiast or professional tradesperson, offering a unique combination of strength, portability, and innovative design that sets it apart from conventional tool sets. Imagine having a compact, yet incredibly powerful tool that can tackle a wide array of tasks, from intricate repairs to heavy-duty construction, all while fitting comfortably in your toolbox or even your pocket. This isn't just another tool, it's a revolution in how we approach problem solving, designed to make your work easier, faster, and more efficient, ensuring you're always prepared for whatever challenge comes your way. Number 5. Katerk 6PCS 14-inch hex shank screwdriver bit holder. Introducing a revolutionary way to change your screwdriver bits. With a simple push, you can unlock and swap bits effortlessly, making your work faster and more convenient. This bit holder is designed for maximum compatibility. It works seamlessly with most 14-inch hex shank drill bits and various electric and handheld screwdrivers, making it a versatile tool for any job. Never worry about bits falling out again. Our secure backup nut and high-quality steel ball design ensure your bits are locked in place, holding significant weight with confidence. Streamline your workflow with easy, one-handed bit changes. The multicolor design also helps you quickly identify the right bit for the task at hand. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, this bit holder is both lightweight and incredibly strong. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, ensuring you have the right tool wherever you go. Looking for a practical gift? This bit holder is an ideal choice for anyone who loves DIY, construction, or electrical work. It's a thoughtful and useful present for any occasion. What we like. This bit holder is incredibly lightweight and easy to use with just one hand. Its secure locking mechanism ensures your bits stay put. If you're looking for a portable and convenient way to manage your screwdriver bits, especially for quick changes on the go, this is a great choice. What people say. They fit all my standard 14-inch hex bits perfectly. I tested them with a variety of bits, Phillips, Torx, and nut drivers, and they all slid in smoothly without being too tight or too loose. The retention is excellent. Once you insert the bit, the internal mechanism locks it in place automatically. It holds the bits very firmly. I tried shaking the carabiner vigorously, and none of the bits budged. To remove a bit, you just push the collar, the push to unlock feature, and the bit pops right out. It is smooth enough to operate with one hand, which is great when you are up on a ladder. Since they are made of aluminum alloy, they are very lightweight but feel durable enough for daily carry. They don't weigh down my belt loop. The color coding is a nice touch if you want to organize by bit type, e.g., red for Phillips, black for Torx, though I mostly just use them to keep my 6 most used bits ready to go. Number 4. Spider Tool Holster BitGripper V2. Introducing the Spider Tool Holster BitGripper V2. This innovative tool is designed to keep your drill bits organized and accessible. The upgraded version 2 features a stronger adhesive and a more flexible design. It firmly grips to your drill, ensuring your bits stay put. Attaching it is a breeze. Simply peel and stick the BitGripper to the side of your drill for instant storage. You can store 3 to 6 driver bits per BitGripper directly on your drill. This provides easy access whenever you need them. This package includes 4 BitGrippers. Get yours today and experience the convenience. What we like. This offers an upgraded, flexible design with stronger adhesive to securely grip your drill. It allows you to store multiple bits directly on your drill for easy access. If you frequently switch between different screw types and want your bits right at your fingertips, this is the solution for you. What people say. With it properly bonded to my drill, it's the best bit holder out there, bar none. I use one 2-inch, 7/16, 3/8, and 5/16 in a constant rotation, and this holder allows me to rapidly swap out those nut driver tips when I'm on the move doing my work. Sure beats fumbling through my pockets or any other number of inefficient ways of trying to keep track of them while I'm working. Okay, here I am 13 months or so later, and I'm surprised to report that the Spider is still alive and working quite well. I had my doubts that the rubber material that the bit holder is made of would hold up to daily use at my work, but it has passed with flying colors at that. It's been over a year now, and it has no visible defects. It's not separating from the drill chassis, nor is it tearing, either one of those scenarios I felt was sure to happen, but no, tough little piece of kit here, folks. I do electrical work. I have 3 of these puppies on my impact, and 1 on my normal drill. Everybody always asks me about them since I hold nut drivers, drill bits and drill taps, for threading 832 and 1032 holes, on my bit holders. I will always use them moving forward, as they save me time by not having to go up and down a ladder as much, or go back to my tool belt or vehicle to get that one specialized drill bit I need. Number 3. Spider Tool Holster. Introducing the Spider Tool Holster, designed to revolutionize how you carry your essential tools. It's compatible with all major tool brands, making your workday more efficient. Our innovative self-locking design ensures your tool is securely held the moment you insert it. This provides peace of mind, knowing your equipment is safe and stable. The universal grips attach seamlessly to the handle of any tool. This versatility means you can use it with a wide range of your existing equipment. Constructed with durable nylon composite and high-tensile steel, this holster is built to withstand the rigors of daily use. It's designed for longevity and reliability on any job site. Need your tool in a hurry? The Quick Draw feature allows you to unlock and unholster your tool with just one hand. This ensures you can access your equipment swiftly and efficiently. It's optimized to fit standard 2-inch belts, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit throughout your workday. You'll barely notice it's there until you need it. Your purchase includes 1 tool holster and 1 tool grip, providing you with everything you need to get started right away. What we like. This holster features a robust self-locking design and universal grips that attach to virtually any tool handle. Its heavy-duty construction ensures it can withstand daily use. If you need a reliable and secure way to carry your power drill or other tools on your belt, this is an excellent option for its durability and ease of use. What people say. It's more flexible than the belt clip that comes with tools because it can rotate. I suggest trying different positions with the set screw tightening clips to see where you can get really good ergonomics with it. Those Pro Tool grip clips actually were the biggest surprise of this kit. Because they use the perfect material so it attaches really firmly to your tool, all the while not digging into and damaging the rubber grip of the tool, so it's a great way to get a great deal of control over where to put the pin nub on the tool. This design is better because you're not strapping on a large 5-inch wide contraption that can only be used for a few things. With these holster clips you're able to do so much more with less bulk. Number 2. Spider Tool Holster. Introducing the Spider Tool Holster, designed to revolutionize how you carry your essential tools. It's compatible with all major tool brands, making your work more convenient. Attaching it to your belt is a breeze, offering freedom of movement without uncomfortable swaying. You'll barely notice it's there, even during rigorous tasks. Crafted from durable nylon composite and high-tensile steel, this holster is built to withstand the demands of daily use. It's a reliable companion for any job. With the included Spider adapter bolts, you can easily connect the Spider drill pins to most major branded power drills and drivers. It offers a truly universal fit. The thumb lock can be effortlessly switched between the left and right sides. This ambidextrous design ensures comfortable use for everyone. Our innovative self-locking design ensures your tool is securely held every time you insert it. Simply lift the lever to unlock and remove your tool with ease. Installation is straightforward, with drill pins attaching directly to the OEM clip port on your power drill or driver. Get back to work faster with this efficient solution. What we like. This holster is designed for easy attachment to any belt and offers an ambidextrous design for comfortable left or right-handed use. The self-locking feature ensures your tool is secure when holstered. If you value versatility and a secure, quick-draw system for your drill, this is a fantastic choice for its adaptability. What people say. It's more flexible than the belt clip that comes with tools because it can rotate. The set screw tightening clips are really secure and much cheaper. This design is better because you're not strapping on a large 5-inch wide contraption that can only be used for a few things. With these holster clips you're able to do so much more with less bulk. Number 1. Spider Tool Holster Pro Kit. This holster easily clips onto any belt, providing freedom of movement while keeping your tools secure. You can move around without your tools shifting excessively. Unlock and remove your tool with just one hand. Simply flick the thumb lever up as you take your tool out for quick and easy access. The holster automatically locks every time you insert a tool, ensuring it stays put. It's designed for secure storage and quick release. The tool tabs use genuine 3M adhesive for a strong hold on your tools. They are designed to securely attach to the side of your equipment. For added security, the tool tab features a center hole. This allows you to use your tool's original screw to keep the tab firmly in place. Constructed with a durable nylon composite and high-tensile steel, this system is built to withstand rough, everyday use. It's designed for longevity. The holster is designed to position your tools at the perfect angle for comfortable carrying. You won't experience discomfort from digging into your side. What we like. This kit provides a quick-draw, self-locking holster with easy peel and stick tool tabs. It's designed for a comfortable carry angle, preventing discomfort. If you need a convenient and secure way to carry your tape measure or hammer, and appreciate a system that's easy to attach and comfortable to wear, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The spider tool is very easy to use and saves a lot of time. It is made of durable material and feels very sturdy. The design is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.